Alright guys, I just got done shopping and I'm going to show you what I got right here. 2 gallons of vitamin D whole milk, guys. I drink a lot of milk. I need it for these protein shakes. On top of the protein shakes, I just drink milk. I enjoy milk. I drink milk, water, and MVP, which is a Wegmans drink. On to the next. I got peanut butter. This is called the family pack. If you don't have a Wegmans in your area, that is why you don't know what a family pack is, but this is like the bargain thing, like where you buy more so it costs less for you. So that is what I did. I still have peanut butter over here, but I wanted more peanut butter because I eat a lot of peanut butter. I either take spoonfuls of it after a workout, in the morning maybe, and I also put it in protein smoothies. I will be showing you my protein smoothie recipe because it is so good, guys. Oh, it gets me horny just thinking about it. On top of that, I bought vitamins. These are the Wegmans brand. This top care label right here, that is the Wegmans brand. Reason why I buy Wegmans brand, guys, is because it's cheaper. People like me don't have a lot of money, guys. I'm freaking broke as a joke. I'm in school. Mommy and daddy usually paid all the bills, you know what I mean? So now that I'm living off my own cash that I make, I only work 24 hours a week. It's kind of, you gotta take it how you get it, guys. You gotta take it how you get it. So you gotta keep the prices low. You gotta know what you need, and you gotta get in, get out. You gotta live on a budget, guys. If you don't know how to budget, please ask me questions. It's not that hard to live on a budget, guys. You take what you make and you spend less than it, and hopefully you keep some by the end of the month. So that's what the goal is. After that, I got eggs, and that is actually everything I got today, guys. This costed me $25. This is actually 3 dozen eggs. Let me go to the other side so you can read that. 3 dozen large eggs. Once again, it is the family pack from Wegmans. Reason why I get the family packs instead of just a single is because I'm going to eat it all. Like, I'm going to eat all that peanut butter. I'm going to eat all those eggs. It may not be very fast, but these aren't going to go bad where I keep them. And it saves you money. So instead of it just like costing less, like technically it costs more because you could buy one and it would cost you less. But once you buy the second one, it'll cost you more. You know what I'm saying? So instead of waiting for it to just like eating it all and then going getting a single one and making the bill less each time, I spend more now so I can save more later. And if you don't understand that, message me and I'll talk it through with you, alright? But I'm sure what you're all wondering now is, Adam, where the hell's all the protein? And the reason why I didn't buy that, guys, or the potatoes that I normally get, or the rice, is because I had it all already. So this is 3 pounds of ground beef on the left hand side here, and this is 3 pounds of chicken on the right hand side here. So that is going to be my my protein intake. I also have bananas in my freezer frozen already, and that back there is ice cream. But the bananas are a carb. Chicken and beef I'm going to make up tomorrow. This is Sunday, by the way. I'm going to cook those on Monday, and I will show you a meal prepping video. Believe me when I say this, I have a lot of rice downstairs and I have a lot of potatoes. You may also be thinking, Adam, where's your black beans? I still have some of those, guys. They're actually right here. I bought the family pack of those too, right? I still got my Pop-Tarts. I've still got cereal for the mornings, so in case I ever don't want to eat rice and eggs, but that never happens. I love rice and eggs. And then I've still got my protein and my subs over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put these daily vitamins next to my fish oils. Because when I read in the morning, I'll probably take those in the morning as well, just to make sure that I'm actually getting them in. Because if I don't take them in the morning when I'm doing my reading, I will forget them because I'm very forgetful. Another carb source that I have is these steel cut oats. I would buy these often, but I don't go through them fast enough to buy them often. Where I use those is I use those in my protein shake, my protein smoothie. That one that's that's the one. That's where the oats are. Other carb sources I do, guys, I hate to show you this, but I have pasta. Like, I do have pasta. I'll still eat pasta. It's just like it's not a go-to. It's more of like a last resort. Because I'm sure you've heard the rumors that pasta is not the best for you. And I gotta tell you, man, I'm pretty sure the rumors are true, or at least they are with my body. Eating all those refined carbs is not good for me. They stick like glue to my freaking like lower belly and my sides, and that's the hardest place for me to lose fat when I'm in the cutting season. So I don't really want to use all that to put it on when I'm bulking, if you know what I mean. Why would I make it more difficult for myself just to put on the weight? Like, I'm going to put on the weight regardless. I've got a ton of time to do it. I might as well enjoy the food and enjoy what my body's looking like at the same time before I have to not enjoy the food so much. Although, when I'm cutting, I eat pretty much the same foods, guys. Except I go from 80-20 beef to 93-7 or 93-10. It costs a little bit more. But also, cutting season, I'm living back at home with my parents, so I don't have as much bills. Like, I do have to pay for my groceries still. I won't have to pay rent over summer, so I'm saving money right there. So if I'm spending a little bit more on groceries, it's not really that big of a deal to me. Also, I'm saving money on gas because my job is very close to my parents' house. It's not close to here. I spend more money on gas living at school, driving back and forth to school, and then driving home to work on weekends. So when I'm living only 5 miles away from my job and I'm driving to that, my gym's right across the street. So I go to work, go to the gym, go home, and then I'm home. I'll hang out with friends. My friends live 5 miles away at the max. So I'm saving a lot of money when I go back and live at my parents' house. So I'll be doing that probably next year while I'm working. I'll be saving money living at my parents' place for a year, most likely, stacking up that cash, you know what I'm saying? And then I'll probably get my own place again. I'm still going to have to pay for my gym membership, and that's all the bills for the foreseeable future. Like, I don't have a car payment, but I have a car. My parents pay the insurance on it because I'm spoiled. So hopefully your parents do too, and if they don't, I don't feel your pain because I don't have those same type of bills, but I really, like, believe me, I'm very compassionate for your pain because I'm sure that fucking sucks. After that, I don't know. It all just depends on how you're spending your time. This is how I like to spend my time. I like to spend it eating food, going to the gym. Those are my 2 favorite things to do. After that, I like watching comedy videos, playing a little bit of video games here and there. I enjoy recording these videos, actually, and I feel like I'm getting better at it, so you're going to have to let me know if you go back and watch my old material to watching this. I feel like I could talk more. I feel like I look at the camera more, so I feel like I'm getting more comfortable doing this. After that, I really enjoy reading, if you can't tell, if you're looking at all the books. My favorite thing to read about is investing in, like, stock markets, real estate, things along those lines. I'm not going to preach about any of that because I'm not here to sell you real estate or any of that bullshit. You can do that for yourself on your own time if you want to learn about it. But back to this, I'm going to put all this food away now because I don't want it to freaking go warm and be a waste of my money. Because if you want to learn something about me, guys, the one thing I hate the most in life is wasting my own money, besides for wasting my own time. And if you can't understand that, then maybe you should go and waste some of your time and then find a spot where you can use it better and think about how much time you just wasted and how much better your life would be if you had not wasted it. So guys, while I put these away, I think I'm going to close this video out. Get out there and do it, guys. Make yourself a better life. Get yourself a better body. Always push yourself. Stay humble. Sort of. Have a good one, guys.